Here's our snippet from episode 25. Got stress? Let's deal with it. As I remember my food journey, it's like, okay, I'm doing all this stuff right. I got the right food, but now it's causing stress. Even when I became assured that, okay, yeah, I've got this down, I'm doing a good job, it was still something missing, and I knew it, and that may have just been God telling me, hey, you're not done yet, and you have to deal with stress. So I did recognize that. I went for food first, but then, soon after I discovered not all about food because like she says, do all the food and exercise properly. But if stress there, that's the big thing that we have to be concerned about.
Exactly. We could be doing all this in vain if we're not managing stress because like it's been documented that 90+% of all illnesses are related to stress.
Mm-hmm.
And even if the cause of these illnesses is not stress, certainly stress will worsen any illness we have.
I think most of us do recognize the general feelings of being stressed. We're irritable, just frustrated. Maybe we can't think straight. Low tolerance of life events, like the day-to-day life events, that's a signal that we're in a stressed state. Because I have thoughts of remembering I'm feeling stressed, but I can't pinpoint what this stress is. What is around me that's causing stress? If you look at my life from the outside in, it's like, okay, what's going on? There's nothing going on to be causing this stressful feeling. So then I realized, okay, this is coming from myself. It's coming from my thoughts about day-to-day work or, oh, I have too much to do or, the floor isn't clean or something. Just causing my own stress in my own mind. Thanks for listening. Click below to hear the full episode.